Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see some of the exercise sums. Before entering into the session, let us recall some of the questions we have learnt in the previous class. Shall we start? Yes. The first question is, what is the simplified form of 15 is to 25? 15 is to 25. See here 5 and here 25. 15 and 25 goes in which table? Fifth table. Therefore here the simplified form is 3 5s are 15 and here 5 5s are 25. Therefore the answer is 3 is to 5. Next question. What is the ratio of rupees 1 to 20 pies? Rupees 1 to 20 pies. Here 20 paisa. See here 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, isn't it? 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Therefore here we can put 100 p into 20 paisa. So see here now we have converted the rupees to paisa. Therefore here 100 is to 20. Now we can put in 5 table, otherwise we can use 20 table, otherwise we can use which table? 2 table, like that 10 table. So here you see 100. So I am striking this 0 and 0. Now we are having 10 is to 2, isn't it? Therefore 5 2s are 10 and here 1. Therefore the answer is 5 is to 1. The third question, what is the ratio of 1 kilometer to 400 meter? 1 kilometer equal to dash. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore here we are writing 1000 meter is to 400 meter. Now we have converted to the same unit. Now we can strike. See here I am striking 2 zeros here, 2 zeros we can strike. Now the number is 10 is to 4. Now we can put it in, we can strike it in which table? 2 table. Therefore 5 2s are 10 and here 2 2s are 4. The answer is 5 is to 2. Next, the first term of the ratio is called dash. The first term of the ratio is called the antecedent. The antecedent. Next, what is the simplified form of 4 is to 17? 4 is to 17. See here, we can't strike 4 and 17 in any table. See, the answer is the same. 4 is to 17 is the simplified form of 4 is to 17. Now, we are going to see some exercise sums in exercise 3.1. Fourth question. Agilan walks 10 km in an hour while Selvi walks 6 km in an hour. Find the simplest ratio of the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi. Now you can take the classwork note and you can start writing from this. No need to write the starting 5 questions I am giving. No need to write that. Now you can write from this question. Now you see here the solution. Ratio of the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi equal to 10 kilometer is to 6 kilometer. 10 kilometer is to 6 kilometer. Therefore here how we can strike 10 kilometer and 6 kilometer? Easy, we can use which table? 2 table. So 5 2s are 10 and here 3 2s are 6. Therefore the answer ratio of the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi is 5 is to 3. The next question, the cost of parking a bicycle is rupees 5. Cost of parking a bicycle is rupees 5 and the cost of parking a scooter is rupees 15. Find the simplest ratio of the parking cost of a bicycle to that of a scooter. For a bicycle rupees 5 and for a scooter rupees 15. Now simplest ratio of the parking cost of bicycle to that of a scooter. Now we see the solution. The solution, ratio of the parking cost of a bicycle to that of a scooter. So parking cost of a bicycle rupees 5 and scooter is rupees 15. So both are in rupees. So we can write as it is. Now we can strike it in which table? Here we can strike it in 5 table, that is 1 5 is 5 and here 3 5s are 15. Therefore, the ratio of the parking cost of a bicycle to that of a scooter equal to 1:3. Sixth question. Out of 50 students in a class, 30 are boys. How many boys are there? 30 are boys. Find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So, total students 50 and boys 30. Number of girls to the total number of students and number of boys to the total number of students. Now, we are going to find the number of girls. We need number of girls, isn't it? Therefore, you see here the solution. Total number of students 50. Total number of students 50. Number of boys is how many boys are there? 30. Now we are going to find the number of girls. Therefore, number of girls equal to 50 minus 30. So 50 minus 30 equal to how many girls are there? 20 girls. Now the first question is asked, number of boys to the number of girls. How many boys are there? 30. Therefore, first we have to write boys 30 in the first. So here number of boys equal to what? 30 is 2 and here to the number of girls. Number of girls is what? 20. So 30 is to 20. Now you see we can strike it in 10th table or you can strike 0 0 and we can write 3:2. Otherwise 3 10s are 30, 2 10s are 20. Therefore, number of boys to the number of girls equal to 3:2. Next question. Number of girls to the total number of students. How many total number of students is what? 50, isn't it? Number of girls is what? How many? 20 girls. And total number of students is what? 50, isn't it? Therefore, here you see 2 10s are 20 and 5 10s are 50. Otherwise, you can strike 0 0 and you can write 2:5. That's all. Next, number of boys to the total number of students. How many boys are there? 30 boys, isn't it? 13 boys and total number of students is what? 50. Now, what will be the answer? Yes, 3:5. We can strike 0 0. Otherwise, 3 10s are 30, 5 10s are 50. Fill in the blanks. Third question. 2 questions we have watched in the before video. Here ratio of 5 km 400 meter to 6 km. This fill in the blanks and true or false you can write it in the book if you are having. Otherwise you can write it in the classwork, no problem. Ratio of 5 km 400 meter to 6 km. Now we have to convert the kilometer to meter since it is given here meter and here kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to dash meter, that is 1000 meter. Now 5 kilometer means what? How many meter? 5000 meter and here 400 meter. So we have to add this 400 meter is to here 6 kilometer. Therefore 6,000 meter. 6,000 meter. This you write it in the rough space. Now you see for 5 kilometer 400. Here 5 kilometer 400 meter. Here what is given? 6 kilometer. So for that we have written this thing. Now 5000 plus 400. What we will be getting? 5400 meter. Now we have converted meter is to 6000 meter. So we have got meter. Now what we can do? We can strike 2 zeros. Here we are having 0 0. Here we can strike 0 1 0. Here 1 0. Here 1 0 1 0. Now we can use which table? It will be going in 6th table, isn't it? 9 6 are 54 and here 10 6 are 60. Therefore, the answer is what? 9:10. The answer is 9:10. The next question you see, ratio of 75 paisa to rupees 2 equal to dash. Ratio of 75 paisa rupees 2. 1 rupee equal to dash paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, isn't it? Therefore, 2 rupees means 200. Now you see, we are putting 75 paisa is to 2 rupee. For 2 rupee, we can put 200 paisa, isn't it? 200 paisa. Now we converted paisa and paisa here. Now 75 is to 200. So which table we can strike? Yes, we can strike it in fifth table, isn't it? 1 5 is 5 and 2 left over. 25 means 15. 15 5s are 75 and here you see 4 5s are 20 and here we will be putting the replacing the 0 as it is. So 15 is to 40. 15 is to 40. Now you see here 3 5s are 15 and here 8 5s are 40. Therefore the answer is 3 is to 8. 3 is to 8. Next question. Next question, say true or false. The ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter is 13 is to 10. The ratio of 130 centimeter. See here meter, 1 meter. 1 meter equal to, we know, 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Here given 130 centimeter. Now 1 meter is what? 100 centimeter. Now we have converted centimeter. And what we can do? We can strike 1 0 and 1 0. Now what is the answer? 13 is to 10. Here is also given 13 is to 10. So it is what? 13 is to 10. That is true. Second one of the terms in a ratio cannot be 1. It is given cannot be 1. In the term, we will be having 1 is to 2, 3 is to 1 like that. So, it can be 1. But it is given it cannot be 1. Therefore, the answer is what? False. The answer is false. Adjective type questions. 8th question. The ratio of 1 meter to 50 centimeter is dash. 1 meter to 50 centimeter is dash. 1 meter equal to what? 100 centimeter. And here 50 centimeter. 100 is to 50. So how we will be getting the answer? You see here. 0 here 100 here 50. So 0 0 we can strike 2 5s are 10 and 1 5 is 5. Therefore the answer is what? That is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 5s are 10, 1 5 is 5. Therefore 2 is to 1. The next question, 9th question, the length and breadth of a window are 1 meter and 70 centimeter respectively. 1 meter and 70 centimeter. The ratio of length to the breadth is dash. Ratio of length. Length is given 1 meter. 1 meter equal to what? 100 centimeter is to 70 centimeter. 100 is to 70. Isn't it? Therefore, we can put 100. See here, we are writing here 100 is to 70. 0 0 we can strike. Therefore 10 is to 7. The D option, 10 is to 7. You can mark this in your book if you are having. Next question, 10th. The ratio of the number of sides of a triangle to the number of sides of a rectangle is. How many sides a triangle has? 3. Number of sides of a rectangle? 4. Therefore, 3 is to 4 is the answer. Next question. If Alagan is 50 years old and his son is 10 years old, 50 years old and 10 years old, then the simplest ratio between the age of Alagan to his son is dash. Simplest ratio between the age of Alagan. Alagan is 50 years, son is 10 years. That is what? 50 is to 10. 50 is to 10. Now we can strike 0 0. The answer is what? 5 is to 1. 5 is to 1 is the answer. Equivalent ratio. What is an equivalent ratio? We can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by a common number. So here you see example 1:2. I have taken the number 1:2 here. 1:2, how we can write 1/2? So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by a common number. If we are multiplying 2 down also, we have to multiply it with 2. Then only we will be getting that equivalent ratio. So 1/2. 1:2 we can write 1/2. 1/2 into 2, here also into 2. Now 1 2 is 2 and 2 2s are what? 4. That how we can write 2:4. Therefore 1:2, 2:4 is an equivalent ratio. We have to multiply and divide it by the same number. Now you see 1/2. I have taken fifth table. So that is 5. We are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 5. Therefore 1 into 5 equal to what? 5. 2 5s are what? 10. So here also we are multiplying with the same number. So 5/10 equal to 5:10. Therefore for 1/2, 1:2 or 1/2, 2:4 and 5:10 are equivalent ratio. We can take 3 table, we can take 4 table, any table we can take, 10th table, 1000 table, any table we can choose, but that number we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So here we can multiply by 3, 4 like that. We can multiply. Now we are going to see the exercise 3.2. I have given one question. Give 2 equivalent ratio for each of the following. First question, 3:2. 3:2. Solution, 3:2 equal to, how we can write 3:2? 3/2, that is equal to 3/2. Now I have taken 2 tables alone. So multiply with 2. Here also we are multiplying it with 2. You can take 4 table, 5 table, whatever table you can choose. Okay. So it will be easy when you are taking 2 and 3rd table like that. Okay. So here 3 2s are what? 6, isn't it? And here 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 6:4. 6:4. Now 3:2. We have taken 3/2 equal to 3/2 into, now I take 3 table, 3 table. 3 table I have chosen. 3 3s are what? 9 and 2 3s are what? 6. That is equal to 9:6. Therefore the answer, the 2 equivalent ratios are 6:4, 9:6. 2 equivalent ratios are 6:4 and 9:6. In our JESSE book, they will be asking to find 4 equivalent ratio. Here 2 equivalent ratios are asked. In JESSE book, they will be asking 4. So we have to take 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. You can write it. Okay. Let us recall exercise 3.2. Fill in the blanks. 3:5 equal to 9:dash. See here, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 3 3s are 9. Therefore 5 3s are. See here how we will be getting the answer. 3 3s are 9. Therefore here what is the here? 5 is there. So 5 into 3 equal to 15. That is the answer is what? 15. The next question, 4:5 equal to dash is to 10. 4:5 equal to dash is to 10. See here 10. Here second term is given. Second term is 5 into 2 is equal to 10, isn't it? Therefore 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. Therefore 8:10. Therefore 4:5. 4:5 equal to 8:10. Here you see 6. Here 1:2. Here 1 6 is 6, isn't it? 1 6 is 6. Therefore 2 6 are what? 12. 2 6 are what? 12. 6:12 equal to 1:2. Okay students, thank you.